Oh.
Yung naririnig niyo pong tunog, yun po ay from the native wood. It's a bamboo. They use that, normally in their tribe po, they use that they play that to make baby asleep. Pampatulog nila ng baby. Ano mo? This is called salong. Are you familiar with salong or sahing? Salong is a sap of a tree covered with leaves, so dagta siya, and it's very torch or light in the mountain. One foot of this can last 3 to 5 nights, but it depends on how they use this one, because it's not only a torch. They believe that the smoke can drive away bad luck, bad spirit, and they use this one also to cure headache and stomach ache. Okay, everyone, I will let you smell this. It's like incense, there's no chemical, it's a sap of a tree.